Hey everybody, this is David Scarborough with Experimax West Houston and Experimax Pearland Parkway. Today we're celebrating our 3-year anniversary of opening our doors at the West Houston location. At the time we were called Experimax, but we've had a name change recently. We are Experimax. But in that time frame, we've served over 10,000 customers. We've sold over 1,000 computers, $1.8 million in business, 500 phones, and 3,000 phone repairs. It's been a great time. We love serving our customers. We love our happy customers, and they love us. We've over 300 5-star reviews on the various social media platforms. We have a great time working with everybody, and from all of us to all of you, we just want to say thank you for 3 years of business, and please come and see us in the future.
Thank you.
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 Thank you. Come and see us.